The quota requirements for design studies is the completion of 15 or more graded credit hours, a GPA that must be greater than or equal to 2.0, and completion of English 101 with a B- or better. Preference is given to the students who have a GPA of greater than or equal to 3.0 and a completion of one history course with a B- or better, and a completion of COM 110 with a B- or better. The quota requirements for architecture, art and design, graphic design, and industrial design is a submission of a portfolio and an essay, and preference is given to the students who have completed or is currently enrolled in 15 or more graded credit hours and who have a GPA of greater than or equal to 3.0.
So there are 5 majors in the College of Design. The first one is Design Studies, and this is non-studio based, which means you'd be going to lots of lectures. The second is Graphic Design. The third is Industrial Design. The fourth is Architecture, and a concentration involved in that is Landscape. And the fifth one is Art Design, and a concentration in that is Digital Media, and these are all studio based. All common courses offered for this college. There's landscaping, architecture, intro studio, design, culture, and context. There's also design, context, and experience, and geology. And it's really cool because some of the common threads that run throughout all these classes are thinking and brainstorming and working together as a team. There's also drawing, which includes using the materials, maybe even from the materials lab. And then it's really cool because they have digital imaging, which involves using a lot of technology and learning about the media. So there are definitely lots of scholarships offered for students in this college, and one includes the 2017 Noble McDuffel Travel Abroad Scholarship, and it's for students who want to pursue another type of educational experience or intensive inquiry. You can go anywhere you want, and you can get up to $1,000 for a grant. So there are many research opportunities that you can explore when you're in the College of Design, and these are programs to help students connect to businesses. And these businesses, 2 examples are the Arthritis Foundation and the Moorhead School for the Blind, and these are through the Innovation Design Initiative. And then there's also the Natural Learning Initiative, which helps children connect to the natural world, especially when this world is becoming so technologically savvy. So internships is a big part of the College of Design, and there are so many opportunities when it comes to those internships. For example, you can work with experts, and you can also work with real products from the real world and work with real companies that are very well known. You can also develop skills, and those include like working efficiently with the team and creating those team building skills. And there's also, you can market and learn about the demographic in order to sell a product. And so some real examples of internships from last year are the Carolina Hurricanes wanted to hire an NC State intern from the College of Design, and also there is the Wolf Trap Foundation, which is one of the best internship programs in the country.
So the entry-level education required for most design jobs is a bachelor's degree, and some of those jobs include graphic, industrial, interior, fashion designers, art directors, and architects. One notable alumni is Curtis W. Fentress, and he is the president and CEO of Fentress Architects, which is a design firm. And another notable alumni is Angela Medlin, and she is the apparel design director of the Nike Jordan brand.
So 3 skills that I've learned. I learned how to respond well to constructive criticism, because not everyone's going to like your idea. So you just have to adjust and change it to make it how your professor wants it. I learned how to use Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop, which are pretty unique skills. And I learned how to use the materials lab, which is a lab we have downstairs with a bunch of saws and tools and wood cutters and metal cutters. So you can just go down there whenever and work on whatever you need to do.
It's my first semester being a TA, and my favorite part of being a TA is really just seeing all the different projects that come out from our students and seeing a different way that people think their design process. It's pretty inspiring.